Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Wednesday, the 13th of March. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. As discussed in our podcast on Monday, the non-farm payroll number was almost as close to Goldilocks as it could have been. And the US CPI overnight was also, by and large, consistent with this Goldilocks state of things. Now, the consumer price index increased by 0.4% for the month and 3.2% from a year ago. The monthly gain was in line with expectations. A 2.3% increase in energy cost helped boost the headline inflation number. Food costs were flat on the month, while shelter rose by another 0.4%. In fact, increases in energy and shelter amounted to more than 60% of the total gain. Now, with home prices expected to rise this year and rents falling only slowly, shelter prices is the key factor holding up inflation in the near term. Thus, the Fed is unlikely to be cutting rates at least until the middle of the year. But we do believe that the uptick in unemployment rate, as well as the continuation of falling inflation, means that the Fed is not likely to express a hawkish tone in the upcoming FOMC meeting. So we're seeing S&P 500, in particular, the mega cap growth stocks, hovering around its highs once again. Such stocks perform very well in a near Goldilocks environment, and we continue to see strength in the US growth stocks over a 6 to 12 month horizon in areas such as AI, cloud, and semiconductors. Like we discussed in a couple of podcasts earlier this year, the fact that inflation may be slow to fall versus expectations in the US is almost a good problem to have compared to the deflationary issues that China needs to tackle, for example. And thus, we continue to be overweighing US equities and Japan equities and stay neutral on Chinese equities. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.